Fall is here and it's a perfect time to get things done around the home, inside and out.
Now let's talk about your floors. Let's get them looking brand new again with Rejuvenate's All Floor Restore. It restores all different types of floors from wood to tile in one mop-on application. It's going to fill in those scratches, restore your floor to its original shine, and the beautiful thing is this is going to last all season long, so for up to 3 to 6 months. And now that the floors are looking clean, keep them clean with the Click and Clean mop. This thing is amazing. It cleans, it dusts, it scrubs, it shines, has all these great attachments, has a microfiber cloth that you can wash again and again, so it's going to save you money. And you don't want your cabinets and your furniture to get jealous of your beautiful brand new floors, right? So make your cabinets and furniture look brand new with Rejuvenate. Again, fills in those scratches, gives it that beautiful shine that's going to last and last and last.
Rejuvenate. It's never too late to rejuvenate.